Welcome to 169 Hitchens Road, situated in the heart of Pokeno.
Located on a spacious section, this property also boasts a large outdoor area, perfect for children, pets, or even garden enthusiasts. Plus, with its prime location in Pokeno, you're just a short drive from local amenities, schools, and easy access to major highways.
This spacious home is divided into two separate units, each offering private living spaces. The main unit is a generous 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom home with an ensuite off the master bedroom. Step inside and you'll find a bright, welcoming living area with plenty of room for relaxation and entertaining. The kitchen is modern and functional, with ample storage space and easy access to the dining area.
As we enter the double garage, to your right, located on the back wall, is the built-in laundry area. It features a benchtop, with a stainless steel sink, under bench space for washing machine and dryer. Overhead cabinetry for storing laundry essentials. Introducing a modern, well-appointed bathroom featuring a walk-in shower with frameless glass, a rainfall showerhead, and built-in shelving. While the freestanding bath adds a touch of luxury, paired with a wall-mounted tap. A floating vanity with a stone top and large mirror offers both style and storage, completing this clean, functional space. Both units are designed for maximum privacy and comfort, while still offering the potential for income generation. With separate entrances, each unit can be easily rented out or used for your own needs. The main bedroom offers a walk-through wardrobe area and ensuite for convenience, while the additional 3 bedrooms provide space for the whole family. A private path leads down the side of the property to the rear unit tucked away at the back of the section. Lined with low-maintenance landscaping and securely fenced, the path offers easy, independent access, ideal for guests, extended family, or rental use. At the other end of the property, the second unit features 2 well-sized bedrooms, providing a perfect space for extended family or as a rental option. The shared bathroom, complete with laundry facilities, is a practical and space-efficient feature. The second unit features an open-plan living area and kitchen, offering a comfortable and practical space. The kitchen is compact yet well-equipped, with modern appliances, ample cabinetry, and a sleek benchtop. The living area flows seamlessly from the kitchen, providing a bright, versatile space ideal for relaxing or entertaining. 169 Hitchens Road offers you a unique blend of suburban convenience, space, and flexibility, making it a perfect choice for homeowners, investors, or anyone looking to capitalize on the growing Pokeno area. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Contact us today with any inquiries, as this section is still under development. Visit our website to contact our team regarding this property or other properties which we have currently available.